Good morning, everyone. My name is Kim Carlisle.
And I'm Sarah Carlisle.
We have a shop full of Heisey glassware.
And we're located just north of Indianapolis, Indiana.
And our shop is open at this time by appointment.
Get a pen and paper ready. We're going to show you our email address in a minute.
This morning's video is new items added to the shop.
These are new items that we've purchased in the last 4 to 5 weeks.
And we put them on a table outside the room you're looking at now, and you will have first opportunity to buy those items before they do come in the shop.
So if you're ready, we're going to show you our email address.
And again, my name's Kim Carlisle.
And I'm Sarah Carlisle.
And our email is the letter K, CARLISL.
@att.net.
And please note, there is no E on the end of Carlisle on that email address. I will give you just a quick little preview of the shop. We have 18 cases and 9 tables, just chock full of wonderful pieces of Heisey glassware. If you see anything you're interested in, as I'm panning through here, just call, text, or email and let us know. We also buy collections, one piece or an entire collection. So if you know someone that has any Heisey for sale, please send them our direction. If you do buy something this morning, we can combine several weeks of videos so we're not sending you a box with just one item in it. So if you're ready, Sarah and I will back out of this room and we will give you a preview of what's on the tables this morning. Have a nice selection of new items adding to the shop today. You can see there we have a big 5-light candelabra. And if you see anything you're interested in, you can call, text, or email. Just remember that calls and texts do come in quicker than emails do. So if you're ready, Sarah, let's get started right back there in the corner.
First thing we have today is a footed comport and cover in Puritan pattern. Underneath the lid, it is marked with the diamond H. It is $85.
Next item we have a pair of Sheffield candle holders, about 9.5 inches tall.
And they're $165. We have a fancy loop cracker jar. There is a little insignificant bump right there, and it is $125.
And the lid's in good condition. Next item we have 3 pieces of Albemarle. We have a goblet in Flamingo.
We have 5 available, and they're $25 each.
Next we have saucer champagnes, all Flamingo.
And there are 4 available and $20 each.
And last we have a 5-ounce soda, and it is
$12, and we have 5 available.
Okay.
Next is a Yeoman covered casserole. It is $65. Everything's in good condition.
And we have diamond optic on the lid and on the bottom on that. Next item we have a narrow flute bar glass. How many of those do we have, Sarah?
We have 6 of them available.
And how much?
They're $15. Here is a variant of Fancy Loop. It's a tumbler, and it is $65.
We have 2 available. Next, we have a pair of Empire candle holders, and they do have the simplex etching on them, and these candle holders are
$475.
And if you really like these candle holders, you can buy these. They're separate, but we do have the plugs that go in these candle holders. We have 2 plugs. They fit right there in the top of there. They are sold separately. If you want those, they're $165 a piece.
Next is an African stem with the moon gleam foot, and it is $95.
It's the goblet. Next, we have a 4209 oval Flamingo diamond optic vase.
It's $165. Next, we have a pair of Aristocrat candelabras. They're about 16 inches tall, and they are $450.
And each one of these, if you notice, they do have the square candle sockets on top, and they do have the square bow meshes. And I'm going to point to this, but right through here on the top of each one of them, it actually narrows in a little bit. I don't know if they did that at the factory or if someone did that later, but they both narrow in just a little bit. Next, we have a 5-light candelabra. It is a little bit grayish in color. You can see that compared to everything else, but it is a very thick piece. And we do have a little bit of damage on the hemisphere. Right there where Sarah has her finger, there is a piece of glass missing right there on the upper hemisphere. It is really hard to see, but it's there. And the pair, I'm sorry, it's a single. How much is it, Sarah?
$675.
All right.
Next, we have a Clydesdale. It does turn yellow under a black light, and it is $225.
Next on the list, we have a Zircon Saturn goblet.
It's $95. Next, we have a pair of Moongleam Acorn candle holders, and they're $1,500. And then next, we have another pair of Acorn candle holders in Flamingo, and they're $1,350.
Okay, next item on the list, back behind that candelabra, we have an Asiatic pheasant. It does turn yellow under the black light. It is marked with the diamond H in good shape, stands up straight.
It's $135. Next, we have a Dolphin-Footed Tumbler in crystal. We have 6 available, and they are $75 each.
We have an innovation number 520 Candelabra Perfume lamp. This is made so you can put colored water in the bottom, put the stopper in it, you put a candle in the top, and it is marked. The stopper portion is marked.
And it's $110. Next is a Flamingo Crescent salad plate, and it's $35. They are marked on the bottom right here, and we have 5 available.
And you can take 1, 2, 3, or all 5 of them. Next, we have a Yeoman covered puff box, diamond optic on the top, diamond optic on the bottom, and it is marked with the diamond H, and it's
$75. Next is a creamer and sugar half circle in Flamingo, and for both of them it is $85.
Next, we have a pair of Dolphin 3-toed candle holders in Empress in Sahara, and each one of these is marked behind one of the feet.
And it's $150 for the pair. Next is an Old Sandwich Sherry decanter. It's $325. There is a bruise on the stopper.
And I mean, see that, folks? It's a little bitty bruise, but there is a bruise right there on the stopper. You're buying it like it is. Here's a number 8025 diamond-footed oval large comport. They made these in several sizes. This is really hard to find. It does have a little bit of mold mark on the side of it, but there is no damage on it.
And it's $165. Next is a Giraffe with its head back. It does have a Heisey original sticker. It does turn yellow under a black light, and it's $95.
Next, we have a Waverly orchid-footed large bowl. I don't know what you use this thing for, but it's a big one, folks, and it's in good shape.
$75. Next is an ice bucket Dolphin-Footed with Sportsman etch on it. Good handle. It's $125.
Now we have several pieces of Flamingo. We have an Atom goblet. We have an Atom wine with Atom etching on it. Diamond optic, very elegant little piece.
And it is $110. Next, we have 2 pieces of Carcassonne. The first one is an iced tea. We have 8 available. They're $30 each. And the next one, we have 2 low water goblets, and they're $25 each.
Next, we have a, I believe, what was this, Sarah? This was a Yeoman-footed oyster cocktail, diamond optic in Flamingo. One of these available, and the price is
$15.
I believe that's everything this morning. If you see anything you're interested in, you can call, text, or email. And remember, everybody, we're going to have another one of these videos next week of new items added to the shop. But in the meantime, we don't want to make any money. We just love to sell Heisey.